Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am visiting yet again another home here in Ryan Homes, Dillon Lake. So the home behind me here, it's listed, well, it's starting base price at $260 something thousand. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a 2-car garage, and guys, it's a 2-story home as well. Now, just a disclaimer, this home has not been staged, so we're going to be walking through kind of like an empty home, which gives you the opportunity to use your imagination and think about, if this was your home, how would you love to set it up? Now, this home behind me here is roughly about like that 1,700 square foot, closer to 1,800. So why don't you come along with me? Let's use our imagination and tour this home together. Okay, so first things, when we walk in, well, to some storage space there. And then over here, some more storage space. So that's really good, right? To start off, lots of storage space. And I love the fact that like we have laminate flooring going all the way through the living space area, the dining area, and also the kitchen. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I prefer this rather than carpet, because imagine, you know, like you put your accent rug right in the middle to kind of like separate your living space and the rest of the home. So I love it. And then right over here to our left is the half bathroom down here. So this too, you can use your imagination on like kind of like the style, how you wanted to design it. So that's really nice. And I actually like the play of the dark wood cabinets on these floors and also on this granite, on this countertop. I don't think this is granite. It makes it seem very nice, right? They're very complementary. They complement each other very well is what I'm trying to say. And this is different. Normally you would see 2 sinks here, but this is like one big sink. So that's neat, that's interesting and different. As I mentioned before, Ryan Homes, actually their homes do come with all brand new stainless steel appliances, and you have the choice of choosing if you want the dark wood or if you want white cabinets or whatever it is you want it. That is absolutely your choice to make. And then over here, we have some pantry space. Pretty good. And then over here, this door just leads you to our 2-car garage, which it's a very big 2-car garage. Very lovely. So now why don't we go upstairs and tour for the 4 bedrooms together. Okay, so when we walk up here, ooh, the sound changes. It's not as echoey anymore. But so as we come up here, this is a linen closet here you will find. And then we're gonna walk down here. As I mentioned, this home is completely empty except for your appliances. So to our right here is the master or the owner suite. I'm pretty sure you could fit a king-size bed in here if you wanted to. If you were to put a king-size bed in here, I think you could only probably get away with 1 nightstand on the other side. But if you were to do a queen, you could most definitely do 2 nightstands on the other side. Or if you wanted to flip it the other way around, you can absolutely do that. What I love about this room though is the closet space. So this closet it's pretty decent. I love it because it's enough to store everything, you know, to store the whole world in here if you wanted to. Okay, so now let's go check out the owner suite bathroom here. Okay, so the cabinets here is similar to downstairs in which it is dark. I do like the double vanity sinks here. And this one has just a regular shower. As I mentioned, use your imagination here, guys. I know this is different from a lot of our other home tours, but hey, this sometimes change is good, right? Okay, so let's check out the other 3 remaining bedrooms. So here is one bedroom. Now for me, just walking into this space, I think automatically I would probably turn this bedroom into kind of like an office space just because of the layout. So if this was my house, I would turn this into an office because it's perfect. It's kind of like overlooking the road. So, you know, you can put your desk kind of by the window, and if you ever needed a distraction, just look out the window. Or if you had kids, this is also a good bedroom for kids. And this closet space, it's a walk-in closet, and it's very unique in the styling. Okay, so let's check out the other remaining two. But before that, let's go over here and look at the bathroom here. So this is a similar concept to the one in the owner's suite, except this one has a single sink. But everything here is basically the same as we saw in the owner's suite. And then here we do have our washer and dryer, which do convey with your purchase of any Ryan home, essentially. Townhome, single family home, this would come with your brand new purchase. And then over here to our left is the third bedroom. So this is also a very decent size. It could fit a queen or a full. If you were to put a king in here, it would absolutely be tight. So I wouldn't advise that at all. And then these homes actually do have decent sized closets. So that's good. And for the price, it's very competitive for this area, to be honest with you. And then here we have our final and fourth bedroom. It's the same concept, you know, as the other ones. Definitely, I wouldn't put a king in here. I would maybe go as far as a queen, but anything else would probably be too big. And then, of course, similar style closets. Okay, friends, so there you have it. Thank you so much for visiting this property with me. As I mentioned, I do apologize if this home isn't staged, but hey, I like it because as I walked through, it gave me the opportunity to kind of picture, if this was my home, how would I want to set it up? And I was just kind of, as I was walking through it, I kind of got some ideas and things, for example, of even an office space. So let me know in the comments, what did you think about this home? Do you think that you could live in this home? Give me some of your ideas. What do you think you could possibly, how would you have designed this house if it's yours? So remember, if you're interested, give me a call. This home is in this community. It's in its newest phases. Literally, I'm sure you saw the construction all throughout the windows and stuff. So if you're interested, I want you to reach out to me. You can find me on my social medias, Instagram and Facebook at Victoria BAO Realtor. You can also visit my website at victoriaao.costellorei.com. Feel free to shoot me an email. Let's chat or give me a call if you're interested in this. All right, guys, see you in the next video.